What if the words we inherited from our ancestors could help heal the societal conflicts of today? Goodness of evening upon you. My name is Muhammad Rahman with popular and poetic sub-requests at Jania Kiwi Concept. I'm a Yorùbá cultural practitioner. I am the founder of a chanting learning institution known as Fásitì Ìjálá. Yes, for generations, Yorùbá traditions such as Oríkì, Ìjálá, and storytelling have carried wisdom, identity, and the power to connect people. But today, in an age where artificial intelligence and digital communication are growing rapidly, many people are losing human touch of listening, understanding, and relating with one another. Through this initiative for Fásitì Ìjálá, a dialogue cycles, I want to transform oral tradition into a tool for human connection and peace building. This project will bring young people like me, yes, young people like me, elders, and cultural practitioners together in order to share our stories, learn from one another, and use indigenous communication method to bridge the understandings. My inspiration comes from my belief that words can do more than entertainment. I have created a content where Oríkì, a Yorùbá praise poem, is used as a means of peace settlement between the couples. Yes, I have done that between husband and wife, showing that our cultural expressions can restore respect, empathy, and connection. Fásitì Ìjálá is not only about preserving tradition, not at all. It is about using that tradition to solve modern problems of nowadays. I believe that in the world that is becoming more digital, we must not lose what makes us a human being. Yes, our stories, our identity, and our ability to understand one another. Through this project, I want to show that indigenous knowledge has a place in building more peaceful and connected world. Thank you for listening. I am Ajani Akewi. Ajani Oníjàlá tí fèwì sọ̀jìnlẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀.